As you all may be aware, Educare Skill is Bhutan's first online learning platform, boasting a wide variety of educational content ranging from read-aloud videos to nursery rhymes as well as animation series. The platform is available both as a website and an app. It is very easy to register on our platform. To access the website, you can visit www.educareskill.com. For Android users, the Educare Skill app is available on the Google Play Store, and it will also soon be available on the App Store for iOS devices as well. To sign up, open the Educare Skill homepage either through the website or the app and click on the Register or Sign Up button. Fill in your details such as name, gender, mobile number, and password. If you are residing in Bhutan, filling in your email address is optional. After you are done, click on the Sign Up button located at the bottom of the screen. An OTP will then be sent to your registered mobile number. For those residing abroad, the OTP will be sent to your registered email address. Enter the OTP onto your device and you will have completed the registration process. But wait, there is more. While our free content during the trial period are still available for you to enjoy, you can access even more of our content by joining our membership plans. After signing up, if you wish to avail the Educare Skill membership plan, click on the settings icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then, click on Membership Plan. There are 3 membership plans available. The number of devices that can be accessed through each account varies on the type of membership plan you avail. Under the basic membership, users can access content such as the read-aloud video series and 𝐄𝐀𝐒, the interactive gamified learning platform. Under the standard membership, users can access the read-aloud video series, 𝐄𝐀𝐒, as well as the nursery rhyme series. Under the premium membership, users can access all the content available on the platform, including the animation series. And that is how you register on our platform. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now and explore the world of Educare Skill.